Hello there, sewing friends. My name is Alice Murray and my channel is called Murr-Made Designs. And what I do mostly is review patterns of garments that I've made. I'm attempting to show you 365 garments / outfits. Such as today, you get a 2-for-1 deal today. And I do pattern reviews, fabric reviews, and end with some tips for sewing or a grateful thread, something I am grateful for today. Today we are going to talk about Kwik sew 4262. I have made this pattern a number of times before as a top and a dress and a pair of pants. I have had terrible times with the top because of the V-neck. Though it looks very normal on her, is not normal on me. Like, I'm very short and it's like, so yeah. But the pants, I do like the pants. I have made them a couple of times. They have a very wide waistband, and yeah, I think they're a pretty good pattern. And we're going to talk about the Sorbetto from Colette Patterns. Joey's tiptoeing around back there. This is a free downloadable pattern. I made this quite close to the beginning of my 365 days. We were at day 121. Did I mention that? So I will link the video with the other shirt I made with this pattern. But this is a very nifty free downloadable pattern. It has a kind of a pleated placket, say that 5 times fast, in the front, and you can make it in different lengths and you can put sleeves on it. And I will show you my version. So you can see the placket down the front. This is kind of a linen feel fabric. And my grateful thread today is where I got this fabric. The fabric for this top and these pants. I like the cut of the legs of these pants. I made them before short, like they are on the envelope. Has a side zipper and has a very, very wide waistband. The problem I had with pants is I cut them way too big and then sewed them and then fiddled around with them trying to make them fit. I struggle so hard with that I've started doing things like for me, maybe for you it's different, but for me, the sizes I wore in ready to wear have nothing to do with the pattern sizes, and actually even nothing to do between pattern sizes. And so what I've started doing is like laying out a pair of pants, and pants seem to be my biggest trouble. I lay out a pair of pants and try to pick the size from a pair of pants that fit me. And even for tops and things, what I'm doing now is, even though it says the measured finished numbers and whatnot, I don't actually trust them. So what I do is I measure myself. I measure the pattern between the seam, how much space there is. Do I need more space? Don't I need more space? And yeah, that seems to be helping. I seem to be doing less fussing about when I'm done sewing something. But this top, it fits just fine. I had zero Zero troubles with it. Zero troubles is a good amount of troubles. It has self binding. I made some binding from the material. It does seem like the top does want to poke out a bit, but actually it seems to be laying a little flatter today, so that's great. But my grateful thread is this material. I will show you again. Isn't it lovely? We have this beautiful linen-like fabric for the top and kind of this heavyweight cotton that matches it beautifully for the pants. Now, where did I get this? From my friend's sewing stash. She has a lot of fabric in her stash. Texted me some pictures, asked me what I'd like. I said, surprise me. And she is selling it to me at a very, very reasonable amount, and brought me over, like 20 pieces. And she even washed them for me. Isn't that great? So this is my first make from that material, and I'm very excited. I have so many things planned. It is a good thing I am making 365 garments, because I have at least 365 plans in my head. So we'll see what I come up with next. But yes, thank you, Brenda. This is beautiful material. I love it. And I just love the support of all of you who watch my videos and comment and support me in this crazy challenge I have set myself. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again tomorrow.